homeowners. This is Raina.
This is Sean.
And welcome to Solutions University. Today, we're going to talk about ducts in your crawl space. So, Sean, what's the bad news?
What's the bad news? So when warm, humid air enters the crawl space, where's the first place that gives up its temperature?
On the colder surfaces, right? If I'm correct.
That's exactly right.
Good.
So the coldest surface likely to be your duct. So when the air conditioning's on and water, I guess, is a conductor, it's not an insulator. So you're going to lose your energy. You're going to have your thermostat or your HVAC system is sending this temperature through the ductwork at 55 degrees because you have your thermostat set on 75 degrees. And when it runs through this ductwork, you're losing like 10 degrees by the time it gets there. So if you measure at the end of the ductwork, it's 65 degrees coming out, even though you have it set on 75 degrees because it ran through this ductwork. So the condensation in a hot, humid crawl space in the summertime robs, that's a 50% energy loss, folks. That's pretty significant. So it robs you of 50% of your energy.
Right. And so when the duct is wet, it's warmed by the summer air that came through the crawl space vents, right? Now, when we heat our homes, we are sending air through cold ducts. So there we go. We are losing again. And when it's 30 degrees, imagine, and you're running your heat through this cold crawl space, that is where we are losing. Is that right, Sean?
That's exactly right. So we're passing through the temperature extreme, that it makes our HVAC systems work harder and maybe less efficient.
Oh, for sure. Ducts that are wet from condensation, they rob you of your energy.
But there is a solution.
And it's an encapsulation, folks.